everyone, my name is Nikki and I'm going to show you how to change your credit card info within the Simplify app. I'm not a very tech-savvy person, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Say you found yourself in a scenario where you had to change your credit card information, you probably lost your card and you didn't realize it until you performed the embarrassing missing card dance in the grocery line, and now you're in the process of changing every subscription you have. We're going to go to the left nav, find the gear icon at the bottom, and click on Settings. This is going to take us to the Settings page where the first thing you'll probably notice is your logo. A little bit above that logo to the right, you're going to see a series of tabs. The default one is Basic Info, which is the page that we're on right now. Moving to the right, we see the tab that says Card Details. Let's click on that. Once the screen loads, you're going to see your current credit cards on file with us. If you want to add a new card, click on the blue Add New Card button to the left, and a little screen is going to pop up. Once you've received the pop-up, enter the credit card, security number, expiration month and year. Make sure you click on the little checkbox here to agree to the terms of service. Click Save Card Details and ta-da! You're ready! The card you just entered will automatically become your primary card. If you want to delete your old card information, just click on the red trash button and it'll disappear. You can also edit the card expiration month and year if you received a replacement card. The credit card number can't be edited though, so if you want to edit the number, you will have to create a new card with the same Add a New Card button that we used before. A common question here would probably be, when will my card get charged? The short answer is that you will continue to get charged on the same day each month that you've been getting charged. You can see your charge day by looking at your payment history. Click on the tab directly to the left of Card Details. This example shows the past charges have been occurring on the 11th of each month. Changing your payment card does not change your billing day. In this case, you will continue to get billed on the 11th of each month. For more information on how to use our app, visit the Help Center at the link below.